So I was thinking about adding a procedural water stream into Tartaros. It would be similar to Minecraft water or the one in Manifold Garden, and would be used as a part of puzzle or simply for decoration. As there were no tutorials for 3D dynamic water that would satisfy this purpose, I came up with this simple water stream generator. It consists of two loops. The building one is raycast checking in stream direction where the next block could be placed. If it is fully obscured, it will change stream direction to the left. If it is also blocked, it will turn right. It will also resize the last block before changing direction towards the obstacle so it doesn't clip through. If loop detects empty space under a horizontal block, it will calculate the edge position, scale the last horizontal block and start spawning vertical ones, creating a nice waterfall. When you block this waterfall, it adds this splashing particle and make the stream continue horizontally. The other loop checks if any other spawn blocks is obscured, in which case it will start respawning the next blocks in the new calculated direction. To improve the effect, I have also added a splash particle whenever the block is spawned, creating an impression of running water. If you wanna try it out, I will leave the link for the package in the description. And if you want to check out the Tartaros on Steam, the free alpha demo is out for you to test. Meanwhile, all the support is very welcome and greatly appreciated. You can like, subscribe and wishlist our game. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and bye bye.